Today I am going to unboxing DreamWorks Bob's Big Break in Monsters 3D on DVD. Let's check it out now, shall we? A breakout 3D adventure. Get ready for an eye-popping escapade in Monsters 3D. In DreamWorks Animation's Bob's Big Break, Bob and his monstrous crew are on a mission to bust out of the government's top-secret holding cell, led by mad scientist Dr. Cockroach, PhD, and Macho Amphibian, the missing link. The trio outwits grizzled Junior W.R. Munger to make a triumphant escape. Almost. An out-of-this-world features includes karaoke music party with your favorite monsters singing the hits, Paddable Game and Monsters 3D, Creature Fun Factory, Monsters vs. Aliens Activation Game Demo and Cheat Code, and much more monster-filled madness. Includes both 2D and 3D versions of the film, and includes 4 pairs of 3D glasses. Let's open up now, shall we? Yeah. Here we have is a DVD disc and 4 pairs of 3D glasses. And there you have it. Well, I hope you join DreamWorks Bob's Big Break in Monsters 3D on DVD.